Hi and welcome to my video. Today we're gonna try 7 different candies. Maybe, wait, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's my mom talking Swedish. So we can start off with this one. Ooh. Huh?
Visa alltid tydligt.
Ja. It tastes like caramel. I've never got punch. It's that thing. Sorry. Oh, this is how it looks like. It looks good. It was like water in it. Not that good. Now, for the third item, we got this rat, and this is how it looks like. Let's try. It's like, I forgot to rate this. These two, I forgot to rate. So I'll give this one a 10 out of 10. Super good. I give this one 2. So start with that. Man, this one. It's super good. Super hard to bite, but it's good. I give this like a 6 out of 10. It's okay. Now we got this, and it's Swedish, so it's extra spicy. And let's do this. I don't know if this is gum or candy. I'm sure it is candy. Oh, damn it. Oh, it's candy. It's like this, like medical help sign. So let's try. The last one. Oops, sorry. Oops, wait. I'm not gonna do the video over because I have those one. But it's okay. Please just watch. We're gonna move on to the next one. I'm just gonna set this one behind so it's better. Yeah. So I don't need that anymore. Now we got, I think I need a spoon to this one. I think it's like yogurt. I had it before, but no, yeah, it's, this doesn't smell good, but it tastes good. Yes, I got a spoon. And yes, I don't have hands still on. This. So let's try. And it's how it looks. Okay, let's try. I don't like it because I just ate this. It tastes like gum with yogurt. But this is good. 9 out of 10. I might eat this later. Moving on to popcorn. Popcorn shed. So let's open it. Let's try. Let's try. So we're gonna try the red one first. This one taste, and now we got the blue one, my favorite color. It's a lot different taste. Now we got this one, yellow. And now we got green. I'm still trying to get the green. The color brown, I'm sorry, but this is green. It looks like blue, but it's green. This one's the best. I really like it. And now we got the last one. I thought green was the last one. No. Orange is the last one. Let's try. I love this. I could eat this all day. Last one. I use like, no, 10 out of 10, but no need to ask. We got 2 stuff left. We got this one, and this, I have never eaten this before. And we got this one. Yeah. So let's try, it's a cookie. And yes, my mom bought it this one. Not with my money. No. Oh no, I accidentally broke it. I didn't mean to poop. Well, I thought you don't know. Oh my god, I didn't know it was this. Oh, this looks super good. It's like a paper. Can you eat the paper? No. Ooh, it came a lot of crust. Yes, now we taste. These are delicious. I really love this. Whoever made this, I love you. This is super good. This is better than the popcorn. In fact, that thing with the peanut butter thing, when I did micro popcorn, my voice was a little bit bad, so that's why. It's like cotton candy. I give it. Oh, I forgot to rate the popcorn. No, I did not forget to rate the popcorn. I rate this like 10 out of 10. It needs to be 10 out of 10. Moving on to the next item. It's this. Looks pretty good actually. I really don't like wonder what that was. It's just the thing I ate. I don't know. I do not know what. Oh, I still got it here. It's Skånspekka. So it's Swedish. Guess I live in Sweden, so don't mind. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's cold. Oh. Nothing. Let's try. These are so good. It's not better than the popcorn, but it's still super good. Like, cannot get me wrong. I'll put this there. And that's everything for this video. So bye, have a great day, and bye.